Alright, y'all. Beetle's Adventures. Check this stuff out. This bird is freaking swimming under the water fishing. I swear. Wait till he comes back up. He's gone for like forever. And he comes up, gets a couple breaths. There he goes. See? Look at him right over there. Now watch this. Watch. There he goes again. Now he's back underwater swimming. He's swimming around, fishing. Bird. Where'd he go? You'll see him in a second as soon as he comes up again. There he is, see? Watch it. Right there, watch. Watch it. Get a couple breaths. Gone. Now he's gonna go swimming in that marsh right there. And he don't come back up till he's got a mouthful of fish. And it ain't no little swims either. I mean, this dude's under there for like a while. At first I thought he was like drowning or something. Something kept pulling him under. I kept watching him, and I'm like, no, wait a minute. He's freaking swimming underwater. Freaking bird. I gotta say, I don't know nothing about birds. I'm not a bird guy. But it was really freaking cool to witness that and to figure out that that was what he's doing. Is I'm one of them people of safety first. I love animals. I just saved a snake from the road. I don't even like snakes all that much, but I save them all the time from the road. Same like turtles. I love turtles. But I'm not a bird person. I don't know if this little dude is like unique. He's like one of a kind. I don't know. He's supposed to do that? They all do that for his species? I don't know. But it's very cool. I lost track of him now somewhere. He's probably on the other side of that marsh. Right over there. He's gone. There he is. Just got another one right there. Now he's back under again. That's gotta be a dozen fish I've watched him eat. I mean, granted, they're not like big fish or anything, but bro, take a breath once in a while, you know? I don't know what that was. Big fish or something. I think I even got that on camera. There it goes again. He's eating fish too. Let's see if we can catch the fish jumping again. There's the bird. Watch this whole thing. Watch. It's like Nessie from the Loch Ness Monster. Yeah, crap. He's just gone. There he goes, look. Coming up with a fish. Now watch, he ain't done. That's like 13 or 14, watch. You go, Nessie, you go. There you go. Now watch this. He's just gone. Trying to look for the shadow in the water so I can see where he's coming back up at, but now watch, just enough to get a couple breaths, And then he's gone again. That's a freaking bird. It's too cool. There he is. I seen you. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video. I can actually see him swimming. I don't know how much of that comes out in the video, but I guess we'll see later because you know, the sun is blocking some of my views, and we'll see it better on the actual video later. But hopefully you can see him swimming like that. That's just really cool. There, he's just out there swimming away and eating. At first I thought it was a freaking snake or something. All I seen was that head up out of the water and swim around. Oh, here we go. Me and snakes. Go figure. But then I noticed, you know what I mean? Right now. A freaking bird. Check him out. He's just going to town, boy. Oh well. Beetle's Adventures. Peace, love, happiness.